When it comes to selecting the best pocket knives, durability, versatility, and sharpness are key factors. Top choices in this category often feature high-quality stainless steel blades that ensure long-lasting sharpness and resistance to corrosion. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best pocket knives you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor recreation topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The CJRB Mia pocket knife is a premier choice for those seeking a blend of style, function, and reliability. Designed by the innovative American designer Savannah Swaggerty, this knife embodies both fashion and utility, making it a standout in any collection. Its liner lock mechanism ensures the blade remains securely in place during use, enhancing its reliability for a variety of tasks, from self-defense to camping. Crafted from Arrma 9 steel, the blade offers exceptional edge retention and durability with a high hardness rating of HRC 5961. This superior steel quality guarantees long-lasting sharpness and performance. The G10 handle complements the blade with its moisture resistance, temperature stability, and ergonomic design, providing a comfortable and secure grip even during extended use. Weighing just 2.29 ounces and featuring a blade length of 2.39 inches, the CJRB Mia is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for everyday carry. Its practical size ensures easy portability without sacrificing functionality, catering to both men and women who value convenience and efficiency in their tools. The Spyderco Paramilitary 2 stands as a refined version of the celebrated military model, offering exceptional performance in a more portable design. This pocket knife is a testament to Spyderco's commitment to quality and innovation. Featuring a full flat ground blade, the Paramilitary 2 maintains its renowned sharpness and cutting efficiency, now enhanced with an elongated tip for precision tasks. The blade's surface jimping on both the spine and finger coil improves control and grip, making it versatile for a range of cutting activities. The G10 handle of the Paramilitary 2 has been engineered for optimal ergonomics. It tapers towards the end, enhancing comfort during use, and its slimmer profile ensures no awkward angles when the knife is closed. This design focus extends to the blade, which has been profile thinned for smoother operation. The knife is equipped with Spyderco's patented compression lock mechanism, renowned for its reliability and strength, while a 4-position pocket clip adds versatility for carrying options. The refinements in the Paramilitary 2, from its textured handle to its precise blade, underscore its dependability and user comfort. The CJRB Pyite Light Pocket Knife stands out as a top choice for those seeking a robust and multifunctional tool. With its 3.34-inch Arrma 9 Wharncliffe blade, the knife offers exceptional edge retention and durability, ideal for both urban and outdoor use. The blade's flat grind enhances cutting efficiency, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks, from everyday carry to rugged camping and hunting expeditions. Designed with precision engineering, the Pyite Light features a sleek, sand-polished finish that combines aesthetics with functionality. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, even during prolonged use, while the integrated steel clip allows for easy attachment to pockets or belts. This compact design makes it an invaluable asset for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Tailored specifically for men, the CJRB Pyite Light merges style with practicality, providing a dependable companion for various scenarios. The NEDF retel pocket knife stands out as a top choice for serious users, blending precision, durability, and ergonomic design into a compact tool. With a 3.4-inch blade forged from premium D2 steel, this knife achieves a remarkable hardness of 62 HRC, ensuring a razor-sharp edge that maintains its sharpness over time. The blade's sleek black titanium coating enhances corrosion resistance, making it a reliable companion in various conditions. The ergonomic handle, crafted from textured G10, features finger grooves for a secure and comfortable grip, transforming the knife into an extension of your hand. The design maximizes control and minimizes hand fatigue, making it suitable for prolonged use. Convenience is at the forefront with its smooth bearing system, allowing for a rapid one-handed opening via either the flipper or thumb stud. An axis lock mechanism provides swift access, while the liner lock ensures the blade stays securely in place during use. The NEDF retel is equipped with a lanyard hole and pocket clip, making it easy to carry. The CJRB cutlery folding knife crag stands out as a premier choice for those seeking a versatile and reliable pocket knife. Featuring a 3.43-inch cleaver-style blade made from Rpm9 steel, this knife delivers exceptional durability and cutting power. The Rpm9 powder steel, a hallmark of artisan cutlery's innovation, ensures the blade maintains its sharpness over time, making it a steadfast companion for any task. The knife's ergonomic design is enhanced by its patterned carbon fiber handle. This material not only offers a sleek and modern look, but also ensures a secure grip, even in challenging conditions. The handle's texture prevents slippage, providing confidence in handling. Equipped with a flipper mechanism, the crag allows for smooth and efficient one-handed operation, a feature that enhances its practicality in everyday use. A steel clip is conveniently attached to the handle, making it easy to carry the knife in your pocket and ensuring it is always within reach. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.